2017 Toyota Tacoma, 4-door, 4-cylinder. Super low miles, like new condition. Runs and drives new. Means absolutely nothing. We sell and ship worldwide. We finance nationwide. Please visit our website for more information on that. It's got 42,000 miles. Rarely driven, not used as a work truck. Here's our information right there, name of the company, phone number, and website. Nice tonneau cover that folds. Tires are in great shape. Not much I can say about this other than it's incredibly clean, very well maintained truck. Literally like new condition. Seats are in great shape. No wear anywhere. It's already got the all-weather mats in the back also. All stock and original, just like it should be. Untouched. Thanks for watching.